Do you want to speed up videos in your CapCut projects? It's real easy to do, and there's a couple different options here. So let's go to our CapCut, wherever it may be on your phone, and let's go ahead and start a new project or just open up a previous project that you want to edit. So I'm just going to pick my latest project here. And what we can do here is go ahead and select a clip. So if you want to go ahead and increase the speed of a clip, what we can do is make sure that you have the clip selected. And you're going to get an option at the very bottom that says speed. And we have a couple options here. Now, the velocity effects are more of a premium option. So just in case you do not have it, we're just going to stick with the normal and the curve. So if you were to click on normal, you can normally just increase the speed of the clip just like any other clip, any other app, and hit the check mark, and the speed will be altered. But what we can do is go ahead and we're going to lower that speed just so that we can see it a little better. So if you don't want to use the normal speed, what we can do is have a curve to it. So these curves actually have effects to them, and it will raise and lower the speed as it goes through. So if I were to just pick something here and hit montage, what that's going to do is it's going to alter the speed to that curve. So as you see, it speeds up, it slows down, and same with this one here. I can do the same thing here, go to speed, go to curve, and pick something here that I want a specific type of speed for that clip. So it's really customizable, and you can really go back and forth and see what you want to have, but that's pretty much it. Very simple, very easy to do, and that's how you would go about speeding up clips or videos in CapCut.